Welcome to Handshake. What is Handshake? Handshake is an online database for CCRI students and alumni to connect with employers for jobs and internship opportunities. On Handshake, you can register for virtual job fairs, information sessions, and other recruiting events. To start, type in the website ccri.edu/careersearch/jobs/handshake.html as seen in the search bar above. And once there, you're going to go over to where it says access your Handshake account and click on the blue here. When you click on the link, it takes you to this page. You will then need to click on the blue button that says login with CCRI username. For alumni, you can sign up by clicking the blue link below that says sign in with your email address with the email of your choosing. For current students, you will then log in with your CCRI username and password. Once logged in, you will then fill out some info like your name, major, and date of graduation. Next, you get to pick who gets to see your profile. If you choose community, your profile will be visible to employers, students, and alumni across all Handshake colleges and universities. If you choose employers, your profile will be visible to all employers. If you choose to go with private, your profile will be visible to you and employers you apply to. Next, we will be going to the profile questionnaire, which you do have the option to skip and come back to it later. Handshake is very pronoun friendly. She, her, he, him, and for non-binary, they, them. If you don't see any of your preferred pronouns listed, then you are free to enter it in. Next, you would decide if you're looking for a full-time job, part-time job, or you're just looking for internships. The best part is that you don't have to stick with one and are free to choose multiple. Next, you get to pick out locations that you would like to work in. The cities that you see already listed on your page are just suggestions. If you don't see the place that interests you, you can always add it in by typing in the search bar above. What type of work interests you? From working in investment banking or getting into the healthcare field, the possibilities are endless. And again, if you don't see the type that you're looking for, then you can add it in the search bar at the top. When you have completed the questions, a profile will be made for you, where you can add a photo and type of introduction telling a little about yourself. Write something that will leave a good impression on those that see your profile. When you scroll down a little, you'll see that you can post your work experience and as well as your volunteer experiences. Your profile will also include your email that will only be visible to you. It also includes your gender and preferred pronouns. Though on here it does say women, there's also a non-binary option too. Below the box that says skills, where you can list skills that you have. If you speak other languages or even have experience in public speaking, whatever skills you believe to be important in your job search, you should definitely add it in. At the bottom, there'll be a box labeled documents, where you can upload your resume to your Handshake profile. If you not have one or need help in updating an old existing one, then I recommend getting in contact with your campus career services center to update or create a resume. Now it's time to begin the job search. Clicking on jobs located at the top left-hand corner will take you here. This will give you job options catering to the preferences that you have listed. Remember, as you search, you are free to change your preferences as much as you like. When you do find a job that you are interested in, all you have to do is click on the job posting and then click apply right on the website. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gets you one step closer to your career path.